To make a bug hotel, you will need a plastic bottle, a pair of scissors, a variety of twigs, sticks, leaves and pine cones, also some pipe cleaners or string if you want to hang it. Start by cutting the top half off of the bottle to make the frame for the bug hotel. If you wish to hang your bug hotel, make a hole near the bottom end. You may need help from a grown-up. Thread the string or pipe cleaner through the hole and out of the front of the hotel. Tie the string or pipe cleaner together to make a loop for hanging. Fill the bug hotel with leaves, sticks, pine cones and anything else you think bugs will enjoy exploring. Hang the bug hotel from a tree or fence or place it on the ground. Remember to keep looking to see which bugs are exploring their new hotel.